Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to pay your Raymour and Flanigan bill using TD Bank. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First things first, let's head over to the TD Bank website. Make sure you have your TD Bank login information handy. Go to tdbank.com and click on the Login button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password and click Login. If you have two-factor authentication set up, you'll need to enter the code sent to your phone. Now that we're logged in, you'll see the TD Bank dashboard. Look for the Bill Pay section, which is usually on the top menu or sometime in the Bill Pay section. You might need to set up Raymour and Flanigan as a new payee if you haven't done so before. Click on Add a Payee or Person to start this process. Once that's all filled out, click Next and it will take you to the payment scheduling page. Here, you can enter the amount you want to pay and select the payment date. Double-check all the information to make sure it's correct. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled a payment for your Raymour and Flanigan bill through TD Bank. Easy, right? If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. See you next time.